Hello my dear family members. Today we will solve a recent coding question that was asked on Accenture Off-Campus Drive 2023. And this is repeated 2 times, that's why I am giving this question to you. While I will give you the question, please pause the video and try to solve the question by yourself, right? Otherwise it will not be helpful for you. Okay, let's see what is the question. So the question is regarding Edward's birthday. It is Edward's birthday today. His friends have bought him a huge circular cake. Edward wants to find out the maximum number of pieces he can get by making exactly n straight vertical cuts on the cake. Your task is to write a function that returns the maximum number of pieces that can be obtained by making n number of cuts. Note that since the answer can be quite large, modulate by this number. An input specification is given here. An input integer n denoting the number of cuts, and output is return the maximum number of pieces that can be obtained by making n cuts on the cake. And example input is given here. If we cut only one, if we cut only once, then we will get 2 pieces maximum, right? So we have to modulo by this number, then we will get the actual output is 2, right? So the output is 2. And in the second case, if we cut the cake 5 times, then we will get total 16 pieces of cake, and we have to modulo with this number, then we will also get 16. So output is 16, right? Okay, let's see how 16 is coming, right? At first, if we cut the cake vertically 2 times, then start cutting parallelly horizontally, right? 3 times. Then we will get total 16 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and each time 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 into 4 is 16, right? So this way we will get total 16 pieces in by 5 ways, right? Only 5 cuts. And we can obtain the maximum pieces by a formula, that is if the cut is 5, then we can obtain maximum number of pieces is possible, that is 5 multiply 5 minus 1, sorry, 5 plus 1 by 2 and plus 1, sorry, plus 1, right? So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 multiply 5 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15 plus 1 16, right? So this way we will get total number of pieces possible, total maximum number of pieces possible by 5 cards, right? Okay, let's go to the solution part. So at first define the function max possible and take argument as n, right? Okay, now just initialize m as this number which is to be modulo, right? And num is equal to the formula, that is n multiply by n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Okay, now just return the num mod m, right? This will return the actual output of our case. Okay, just now read the input, int input, sorry, input, and just print the print the function, right? Okay, the max possible. Okay, I hope this will give actual output. Just run this and check. If 1, sorry, m is not defined. Oh, sorry, this is small m, right? So for 1 it will give 2, and for 5 it will give 16, right? Okay, I hope you have got the answer, right? Still, if you face any problem, then let me know. I will solve your problem because I am here for you, right? So if you want more such content, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus previous year question, Accenture on campus recent question. Okay, I hope we will see. Thank you for today's session.